Video we are going to learn membership operators in a Python. Membership operator is basically used to test whether the value over the variable is found in the sequence. Sequence can be a string, list, tuples, set, or a dictionary. That can be a sequence. So membership operators, there are two types of a membership operator: in or a not in. Let's learn this with example. Consider you have one set. Okay, that values or variable is found in a sequence. Let's you have a sequence of a sets. Let's consider you have a sequence of a companies. In a company's set, you have big four companies like you have a big four companies like first is Deloitte, second is PwC, third is EY, and fourth you have a JP Morgan. Okay, this is the company list you have. Consider you are providing like the input user string, so that you are storing that input into company variable. So we are checking your company which is present in a big four or not using membership operator. So company, you have a input of please please enter your current company name. Okay, please enter your current company name. That's it. So the user will enter the current company name. Now we need to check if this entered input is present into sequence is nothing but this we have a set company set. So let's learn if input company in this company's set. Okay, red if present, then print using f string like your dash company, like is in big four. If your company is not found, then else we can print using f string like your company eh, not present in big four. Okay, let's test this code that we have created for a membership operator. Okay, consider please enter your company name. So I'm going to enter JP Morgan. So so JP Morgan, which is present in the company's sets, like this is the sequence present in the sequence. So if I check my company is in the sequence, then it will print your company is in a big four. Okay, let's enter Accenture. Okay, Accenture, let's hit enter. See, Accenture is not present in a big four. Accenture is not present in a big four. So basically, we use membership operator in over the not in operator to check if the specific string or the specific list a specific string or the specific words, or we can say specific character which is the present into a set or present into a list or present into a tuple over the dictionary, eh, or not. So, okay. Second one thing, interviewer will ask you about interviewer will ask you one questions about like the ovals. So you can solve these questions like the if they will give you a string and they will told you to find how many numbers of ovals are present in this specific string. So you can solve this program using a membership operator. Let's learn how we can solve this using membership operator. Consider you have a like word. Consider you have a text. We can say a text. In text, an interviewer will give you a name. Like interviewer give you a name. Like interviewer asks you to write your full name, Solka, and he will told you to find how many numbers of ovals are present in your string. So let's try to solve using a membership operator. Consider we have a ovals. Everyone know ovals like A U I O, like A E I O U, A E I O U, and A E I O U. So we are storing all ovals into a single variable, that is ovals. Okay, let's, and we need to find the how many ovals are present into a specific text or specific string. So we are going to that count, we are going to count ovals present into the string. So we are storing this into a count variable. So let's, okay, now like the if you want to find the ovals, then we need to go through each and every character which is the present into a string. Like this A is a present into the string or not, like K is the present into the string, this ovals or not, like A is a present into this ovals or not, like the S present into this ovals or not, like the S present into this ovals or not. So for that we need to go a loop by loop. So we are going to use the for loop first, like the for each character in text. Okay, each character in text, if we are taking the first character from the string, and what we are doing, we are using a if condition, and we are checking if that character, if that character is in present in our ovals or not. If that character is present in our ovals, then we are, let's print that oval. We are printing that oval using the f string, like that character is an uh, oval. The character is in a oval. Let's also if that character is a present into the oval, then let's count also, count plus 1. We are counting the numbers of the ovals are present into that, we can say a string in your name. Okay, let's, the loop will execute till the last characters. Now let's get out of the loop and the print using f string how many ovals are present into your name. Okay, total numbers of like ovals are present into your into present in your name is like count. Okay, let's run this program and see what output we are getting. Okay, as you can say,